Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word cabeleireiro. The correct pronunciation is cabeleireiro. Once again, cabeleireiro. It's important to mention that even Brazilians struggle to pronounce this word. It's a tricky one for sure. You might hear Brazilians say cabeleireiro. Again, cabeleireiro or cabeleireiro. One more time, cabeleireiro instead of the correct cabeleireiro. And as always happens in Portuguese, the feminine form of cabeleireiro is cabeleireira. So, if the hairdresser is a man, it's cabeleireiro, and if it's a woman, it's cabeleireira. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand. So don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Cabeleireiro. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.